Aloha, Rich Albertson here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do Lab 7.10, the matching strings. So let me share my screen. And as you know, with strings, we can index each character. So the approach here, the program reads in two strings, and then we compare character by character, each character of the string with the other, same index, and we count up the number of times that the characters match. So you see that with crash and crush, there's four letters match up: the C, the R, and the S and the H, but the A and the U do not match. So it's 4 characters match. In this example, 3 characters match. In this example, 1 character matches. And so our approach is going to be, first we're going to read in the strings. Let's start that up right here. First we're going to read in the strings. Let's call it string 1 equals some input. And then string 2 equals the next input, another input. Let's see, we're going to count up the number of characters. So let's set a variable called count. And our loop, we're going to have a for loop. For I in the range of, we're going to be looking at we only need to go as far as the shortest. Our for loop only has to loop as many times as there are characters in the shortest string, because once we've gone to the end of the shortest string, once we've compared all the characters of the shortest string, there's no more characters to compare, and then so they obviously don't match the rest of the characters of the longer string. So that's the limit to our for loop. So I think we can probably do something like, there's a min function, min of the length of string 1, comma, the min of the length of string 2. That closes that min. This closes, oops, I gotta close that min. This, oh yeah, min of the length of string 1, and no, I don't put this in here. I want the minimum of the length of string 1 and the length of string 2. Yes, that's right. So so this is the range. The outside parentheses are for the range, and then the next inside parentheses are for the min, and then we've got the length of string 1 and the length of string 2. Now, it may be cleaner and more understandable if you actually pop this out into a variable, but let's just try to do it this way and see if it'll work. I've started this video a couple times, and I've tried different things, and I've always been had to restart. So that would be the for loop, and then we can just test if the string 1 of I is equal to string 2 of I, then increment count. And we can do it that way. Increment the count. And then we should also, you notice it says characters match, and here it says character matches, and here it says character. So and if it were 0 character matches, then it would be match it character 0. It would be 0 characters match instead of 1 character match, instead of 0 character match it. Okay. So let's test. Oop, I don't put a semicolon. Wrong language. Although I don't think it hurts. Okay, now I'm done with that loop. I'm done with the for loop, done with the if loop, done with the for loop, done with the if, done with the for, and then I say if count equals 1, then print out count 1 character matches. I think it's right. 1 character matches. Otherwise, print count characters match. Is that right? Well, okay, let's try it out. Crash and crush. Crash and crush. Nice. What about cat and catnip? Nice. What about mall and saw? One character matches. All right, how about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L? All right, well, I think this is good. I think this is enough. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.